Hey guys, Tyler here with Quality Classics, and there is a right way and a wrong way to change a hubcap on a vintage Volkswagen, and it actually requires a special tool to do it the right way. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it and exactly what tools you need to get the job done. Okay, first of all, the wrong way would be to take a flathead screwdriver and shove it between the paint and the hubcap and turn it and try and bust it loose, because you're going to damage your paint and you're going to damage your hubcap. So don't do that. All right, here are the tools you're going to need to get the job done. About a 12-inch long pry bar, a nice soft rag, and this special tool right here called a hubcap puller. This gives you leverage so that you can pull the hubcap off without damaging anything. These also store on the sides of the car as pictured here in the jack holes. And this looks nice, and it also keeps them with you everywhere you go so that whenever you need them, they're there. Let me show you how to do this. On your hubcap, you need to locate these two holes right here. Insert the hubcap puller tool into both of those holes right here. Place the soft rag up against your wheel and tire. Feed your pry bar up through the puller tool. Now, holding everything, use the leverage and pull that right off. No damage to the wheel, no damage to the hubcap. This is the correct way to do it. Again, all the tools you'll need for this job I will link in the description box below. Also, be sure to check out the rest of our videos on our YouTube channel at Quality Classics. We do have a website as well, qualityclassics.com. We have over 20 years in the industry of buying and selling high quality classic cars. And we also have a local repair facility right here in Roanoke, Texas that we own and operate. Let us know if we can help you in that area. Thanks for watching Quality Classics, and I hope this video was helpful.